Welcome back to Carolina Showcase. We're here with Brent Stewart, the founder of Stewart Law Offices. Brent, when someone is injured on the job, the physical pain is often followed by the immediate stress of wondering how they'll provide for their family. We're talking about workers' compensation today. Why is it so critical that an injured worker understands their rights the moment that an accident happens?
Well, an on-the-job injury, while they can be minimal, they can also change your life forever. Many people get injured and they're not going to be able to go back to work. Workers' comp does not completely fill all of those voids. So you want to make sure that you have somebody that's able to help you so that you can maximize your recovery. Because that's very important with helping you pay your mortgage, paying your medical bills, and keeping your family out of debt. Almost anything qualifies as an injury if you have what they call as a work-related accident. A work-related accident can be a trip. You can pick something up and kind of stumble and pop your back. And there's also different kinds of occupational incidents that can happen as repetitive trauma, which could lead to carpal tunnel. It doesn't hurt you to reach out to a workers' comp attorney and ask them, hey, this is what happened to me. Does it qualify for workers' compensation?
So, Brent, talk to me about choosing a doctor with workers' comp. How do you go about doing so?
When you get injured, you have a duty to report the injury to your employer. Then your employer should set you up with a doctor.
Okay.
All right. The employer and ultimately the insurance carrier for the employer will be the one that gets you into medical treatment. If you get injured on the job and they are not doing that, you need to immediately talk to a personal injury lawyer. Sometimes people will kind of stumble and not feel like their knee is going to be a problem. So then they record it a week later. At that point, you're giving the insurance company a great opportunity to say, well, why didn't you report it last Tuesday? Why are you reporting it this Tuesday? What happened at your house where you really hurt your knee?
If you've been injured at work and aren't sure where to turn, visit founder Brent Stewart and his team at Stewart Law Offices online. That wraps up this segment of Carolina Showcase.